Welcome to Beanie Chef. Today we're showing you how to make classic Yorkshire pudding, but it doesn't have to be classic. You can put whatever twist you want onto them, so maybe add some whole grain mustard, horseradish sauce, or just some chopped herbs from the garden. This mixture can be made up in advance, so you don't need to do it all on the day. It can be put in the fridge, and you can even do these the night before and freeze them. I like to use an electric hand blender to mix my mixture because I find it gets a lot smoother that way, but if you've only got a hand whisk, then that will be fine as well. Like I say, that one gets rested in the fridge for a while before it's cooked. With your tray, you want to fill it up with vegetable oil halfway, and then get that in a really hot oven, 200 degrees. And then as soon as that comes out, fill them like this with the mixture, and they want to go straight in the oven again. When they come out, I just shake off the excess oil and they're ready to serve.